I'd like to show you this new listing in the great town of Canby, Oregon.
Oh, where is it?
Well, it's on the north side of Canby in a great neighborhood called Postalwait Estates.
Oh, I love that neighborhood.
It's a one-level home with a great room with wood floors and a fireplace.
Oh, it looks great for entertaining. And I love all the details like this buffet in the dining room. And oh, it's just so great.
Well, it was also recently painted on both the inside and the outside.
Oh, and an office off the entry. That's pretty nice.
Yeah, it's really move-in ready. But first, let's go outside and see what the yard is like.
It's really nice and spacious. And private too. I like that.
Okay, let's go back inside and check out the primary suite.
Ooh, I love the vaulted ceilings.
And it really has a nice walk-in closet too. So it has 3 bedrooms and an office and a really nice 3-car garage.
Oh, that's great.
Right next to the neighborhood is a bike path that goes all the way to the Willamette River.
Ooh, that's pretty.
Yeah, and besides that, Canby has a great small town feel with parks, coffee shops, and everything you would want.
Wow, what a great opportunity. 1465 Northeast 15th Avenue, Canby, Oregon.
We're the Spears team at Eleete Real Estate.